Hello everyone and welcome back. In this video I'm gonna add our sound to our game. So with that said, let's go this. Alright, so let's get started. And over here I already have some constant values set up over here. My constants. And this is gonna be our sound in music. And I'm gonna go over most of the music, not entirely, simply because I'm busy at work during this month. So we're gonna try to make this quick video, and beginning of next month I'll pick it up where I left off. But let's just jump to the subject right now, so don't lose a lot of more time. So here we have our sound and music index. So like index is gonna search for it. So 0, so SFX or sound effects, none. So as you notice, this is for both. And here we have our sound index. So when the ball hits the wall, when the player gets the ball, when the player jumps for action button, or red button, should I say, when the player throws the ball, when he has the super intros, and this is when he scores. So this is the sounds I want to play. And here I have the music, when the super is displayed on the screen, when the set is over, when the game is over, and possibly when the timer is getting down. So I'm separating here sound to music. So this is, let me come over here. So here your audio control 0, that's your left side of the channel, and this is 1 is the right side. So think of it as our Photoshop layers or image processing layers. So by having the sound on 0 and music on 1, I can have both sounds happening. So if the super is on the screen and the ball hits the wall, both of them will play at the same time. So that's the idea of it. So let me save. So we got those index values, so let's create those variables over here, or define our space. Sound effects, sound plus music. So we're gonna need our sound effects sound index. PS1, BF. So this is gonna be our music index. Music index, so this is gonna be C0. Sound left 0, right 1. So keep the C0, differentiate over here. Okay. Now you want a sound counter. PS1, C1. C2 instead of sound, it's gonna be music. And I'm gonna add duration for now, but I'm not gonna add it on this video. But I wanna add a duration over here, C3, so it can almost like do a loop. That's the idea of it. Duration, this one, C4, quick assemble, see if nothing. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, it's working. So, excuse me. Oh, where was the error? Let me go back. So here I added some random values over here. But as you notice over here, sound effects, control, and our volume under the same value. So the first 4 over here is the first nibble, and the 1 is this upmost nibble, and this is the left. So as you see over here, like I separated, so it's gonna be 4 and 1. Since control takes a nibble and volume takes a nibble, I can separate both of them. Not separate, well, I can separate them with this whole value over here. So both of them is gonna take one or the other. Just gonna do a masking so I can take the values. So we're saving a lot of space. However, our frequency takes more than 1 nibble, but we can, as you see over here, you save a lot of space over here. So we save at least a few bytes. And of course, as the bigger your sound is or your music is, it's going to save even more. So here's your control and volume. Specifies order. So first control, then volume. Ball hit. There's the frequency, and here is the size, which is current rotation minus our ball hit over here. So it's going to give you our size over here. So let me save this. And the only thing you have to keep in mind is both of these values has to be the same. So let me save. So we got something like that going. So here's our sound and music. So let's begin working on it. So let's say sound effects exit over here, so I don't have to go to the overscan. So let's load A with our sound effects sound index range equals 0 to exit, and I'm going to do the same thing with music. For music, so let me comment over here, sound and music. So let's just work with the sound for now. So now that we loaded this value, let's do the comparison. Let's compare that to 1. And we're going to range equals 0 to sound effects ball hit. Let's call it that for now. Over here. So when it's done, we want to jump out of it. So this first thing we're going to do is this. And here's going to be the other comparisons over here. And actually, print comparison with sound ball here. So that's why you have my constant over there. So, oh, not one. Oh, quick fix over here. Over here. And you can do the other ones as well. But for now, let's just sound. And bring it to 0 to effects clear cut ball. Something like this. I might add that to some macros over here. But for now, let's just work over here. So let's see. Come right over here, and now we're gonna load X with our SX sound counter. We're gonna range equals 0 to get out of here, so we have nothing left. However, if we do have the value, we're gonna come over here and hit, so I can have some visual representation over here that this is the exit point. So let's load A with our sound effects control volume ball hit, and here you're gonna X, which you already have over here. So you're gonna load A, and then we're gonna do a N, and you're gonna mask the first 4 values, the first nibble, and store that into our audio control 0 right over here. I'm gonna do the copy and do the same thing over here. So let me come over here, control, this is volume. So since this, I'll change the value over here. Actually, I don't even need to do you. Let me. Yes, I actually have to, because this is gonna change the value. So let's do this again. And instead of control, let's be value 0 over here. And then I'm gonna do the same thing over here, but this time it's the frequency. I hope I'm spelling it right. Instead of controlling volume, this is your frequency. Store that you are audio frequency 0. So this should be all set, I think. Let me just come over here and I create our subroutine, which is below over here. Let me copy this. So this is gonna be a set of player positions. This is gonna be what I'm gonna call it. Sound effects. Set sound and music. So let's set sound since set sound. So sound effects. Set sound. This will set values for this sound. So let's store whatever in A to our audio. Where is my thing over here? Oh, where was it? Not audio. We're gonna set that to your indexes and our duration and our, what's the other one today? Index, duration, and counter. There you go. So the first one is gonna be our XFX sound index, store X to counter, so counter, and store Y to our SFX sound duration, X, Y, duration. So this is counter for now. This is the index. Go back on it and give a better comments over here. But for now, this is set sounds. We know what we do. So let's compile, see if there's no error. Oh, fantastic. And now let me try over here to set that up. So let's come over here, all the way to the bottom. Let's go under ball over here. So let me check, change carry over here, store ball X, change, so it's the X value, let's say Y. Alright, so this happens over here. Let's do the A sounds for ball hit over here. So let me do this. So let me load A with our certain index. So it's going to be sound ball hit wall. Here it is. X is the counter. So let's load X with our SFX size ball hit, and then let's load a Y duration. We don't have it that now, but we're gonna add it later. I'm gonna jump to a subroutine, SFX set sound. So let's see how that works. Actually, let me comment this part. Set sound for when ball hits wall. So just that part over here. Okay, let's come over here. What is the error? Let me copy it. Let me check what's wrong with the code, just 1 second. Alright, so the bug that happened seems because I forgot to put this hashtag over here, or pound number sign. And if you know, just say, hey, this is a number, not an address. So this was looking for the actual load X or some memory 1. So fix that. So that's why I have your change to remind me. So that's this change. Set the sound for. So now it should be working, but I forgot actually one more thing. I was looking for a code, another bug. I had this part over here. I forgot to change over here. So now we're masking the wrong value. So we're both at this time masking the control. but now I changed the volume. So if I run over here, if I hit the wall, here it is, you get the sound, but as you notice over here, it's not happening all the time. And that is simply because we also have to decrement our counter. Decrement sound counter over here. Let me save this. And if you come down here, so it's getting the size, so the size is 3, and our counter has 3 size, different values, just some random values that I put it over here. And here is going to start at the 3rd one, so the highest value that we have over here, and it's going to go downwards. So keep that in mind when you're making your game, well, at least for this audio part over here. So now if I were to jump up, so now you got our sound for our ball. And before we finish this, instead of sound exit, I want to come over here and do a sound reset when the branch equals 0. So our sound now is over instead of here. Let's just sound reset instead. Sound reset. So just setting everything to 0 since you're already done over here for counter and so forth. So let's load A, and let's store our 3 sound values, our sound index, SFX, our sound counter, oops, and our sound, oops, misspelled duration, Ctrl F, duration, replace all. I hope I spell it right this time. So you're gonna our main registers that we created, that's reset to 0. And as well, let's do our audio control. Let's start at your audio volume and your audio frequency. So the residue. Oh, and of course, after you're done, jump out of here. Oops. Okay, there you go. And that's pretty much should be it for this video. So let me. Okay. As you see, it's working our sound in your game. So like I said, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna try to keep this video shorter because it is the holiday season, so I have kind of busy at work, but I'll try to pump out some videos as much as I can and then pick up later. But in the next video, I'm thinking about just doing the rest of the music, and of course I have to do a duration part. So thanks for watching, guys, and if you liked the video, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you.